Good morning students, welcome in class BA part 3rd. In our class BA part 3rd, English literature paper 1st, we were reading poems, and in poem section, today we are going to start our next poem, that is Once Upon a Time. Once Upon a Time by Gabriel Okara. A poet belongs to Nigeria. As we know that after second to last unit of our poetry section belongs to the poets who are not Indian. Means they belongs to either from America, Australia, Nigeria, Canada, and today in this term we are going to discuss our next poet, that is Gabriel Okara belongs to Nigeria. And the poem Once Upon a Time is a very beautiful expression of the thoughts and the ideas. Now the thing that is very important here, the poem based upon comparative study. And now this poem, as we will start our poem, we will find that a very good comparison, very equal comparison in which you can find out what is the major differences between generations. The point based upon the differences of generations. If a person that is young has different type of the mentality and psychology in mind, same as the same person convert, means at the time when he becomes old, how the mentality and psychology changed suddenly? But it changed because our thinking power, psychology and mentality completely, totally, absolutely deals with the age. So the thing that is in center in this point is age. We mentioned here that is age. The thing that is important in this point, that is age. How age affects the psychology. And connected the age, you can also connect it with the generation. If we are child, our psychology is different, like childhood. If we are young, childhood, then young. If we are young, our psychology and mentality totally deals with the youth atmosphere, with the youth psyche, with the youth mind, and then we will think according to the circumstances of youth. So means that is effect of age. That is a transmission of psychology. That is a transmission of mentality. Everything affects with our age. Generation makes the psychology and mentality different. At the time later, we become just like old. Then the psychology completely convert. As if we are thinking what the blind fact is. How we can stop if the cat crossed the way? How? It is psychology. If you are young, it may be that we lowered it, but at the time when you are old, I am not speaking one particular maximum. At the old time, believing superstitions, believing blind faith, and then just stop. If the cat crossed the way, means the same person have different type of ability, different type of mentality, and a different type of psychology. Same person says it is meaningless. It is, you can say, logicless. There is not any reason to stop the way and journey. But the same person, if converted into the end of 80 plus, must we think about it? Must we consider about it? Why? There is the reason. That is importance and effect of age. The psychology and mentality definitely changes as the age changes. Now in this point, once upon a time, we will find a very comparative study, and you can explain this point in a comparative study. The base of this point depends upon the communication, and this is the communication between father and son. A father surely is old, son surely in the young time. So the father at the present time is now old, aged period. but at the time when he was same like his son, or you can say at the time present, a father is old, but at the time when he was like his son, he was young then. Means at the time when he was young, or at present time when his son is young. And you say there is the difference. Yes, surely the difference. At the time when he was young, there was something different. But at present time, everything changed. This is the time of technology. This is the time of IT, computer, internet. And then the today's young is different than the father's young time. And then father surprised. Everything changed. When we means a father was like you, there was something original. But at the time when you are young, there was nothing original. Everything is copy here. Everything is formality here. Everything is meaningless here. So the son says or shows the generation related activities, the atmosphere related tasks, but it was not justified by a father because it is generation gap. So what is the major differences that was presented in this point is the differences how to meet to one another. Father says that when I was like you, my dear son, when I was like you means when I was young, we meet to each other with heart, with psyche, with internal delightment, with joy, and we felt happy then. But at the present time, what I am looking, although they are happy, although they are looking laugh, but it is from outside, and from inside they are not lucky, not happy, not delighted. Means at the present time, somebody meet to each other, they show we are happy, but inside they are not. They show and says also, glad to meet you, glad to meet you, but internally they are not glad, they are not happy. This is the reason. Once upon a time, if you convert its expression, its meaning, you automatically know. Once upon a time is the detail of past. It is the detail of past, same as we, if we just narrate the past story, the past incident. When we are using the word, once upon a time there was a full stop, or test. So it is the time that was presented by father here, उस समय को at the time when the father was like the son. So this is a very communicative point, and in this communication, a father presents the major differences. A father presents the major differences between youth and old. This is the time in which point as a father is, or this is the time in which youth means the son is. Youth is now here compared with the son, and old age is now compared with the father. Now the father convert as a son means in youth and expresses his ideas. Ab at the time when father was young, we say that there was something changes. But at the time when the son is young, there is something different. So this difference is presented by the father. Father also shows his concern. Father also shows his sadness. That my dear son, everything changed. There is not any originality, there is not any meaning, there is not any logic in this time, in youth generation. They only smile from outside, they only laugh from outside, they are happy from outside, they are glad from outside. Only this is a show of happiness. This is a drama of delightment. This is the major aspect. But as per the time changes, as per the system changes, new technology develops, and when the new technology develops, everything convert according to technology. So at the time when the father was son, it may be there was not any technology, or you can say there less technology. But at the present time, so how the son can treat here as father treated there? How the son can treat here today at present time? Same situation as his father treated in his youth period. Although it is not possible, but that was the psychology of a father, that he is thinking like it. That was the psychology or mentality of a father, that father just want to make a transmission. He just want to make that my son will behave like me, although not possible. Even we are discussing here in this point, let's come with me, and we just start to read it line by line and try to explain what the meaning of a father, or what is the base of comparison, or how there is various types of the changes between generations. You are requested to take your book, that is Poetic Reflection from India and Abroad. In this poetic reflection, India and Abroad, we are going to discuss now line by line to its text. Very first, it is very well known that Gabriel Okara just considered as the poet of Nigeria, and then today at the first line you are requested to observe with me. Once upon a time, title is the first line. Here, once upon a time is using that the time that was presented by father, and this time that was given by father is the time of his youth period. Or at this time, why he is speaking here? Because at the present time, his son is youth. During youth, there was different type of changes. What the major changes that was presented by poet here as a speaker, or you may say it as a father. The poet is now in complete poem speaking as a speaker. So what poet concerns about, that is the situation, that is the details, that is the changing behavior, that is the changing conduct, that how a person changes as the generation changes. So the first line, once upon a time son. It means the poem is addressing to a son. Poem completely addressing to a son, and a father is speaking this poem in addressing form to a son. They used to laugh with their hearts and laugh with their eyes. They is using for the people at that time when he was young. So they is using for the past. कौन से लोग? वे लोग. Poet just compares himself. He just compares the time of his. At that time when I was young, then क्या होता था at that time? Used to, generally you know that used to is using for past habit. Used to, using for past habit, a very important grammatical fact. Used to, at the time, used when you are expressing any past habit. They used to laugh with their hearts and laugh with their eyes. Heart is used for internal happiness. So they just use and laugh with their eyes. Means that was a real enjoyment, that was an original enjoyment, or that was purely 100% purified enjoyment. Come at that time when we were like you. Jab the poet was, the father was like the age of their son. They just laugh with happiness. This was internal laughing, internal happiness, spiritual enjoyment, and internal delight. But now, comparing today's comparison, at the present time, they only laugh with their teeth. They only laugh. It is teeth using for outside happiness. From inside, they are not happy. Even they are showing to play that yes, I am happy. So if the person that is from inside not happy, but from outside, if he plays the drama of happiness, that is It is the laugh that was seen by the teeth. ये केवल खुशी जो हंसी है ये टीथ से दिखाई दे रही है. Means this was very totally temporary happiness. This was a totally unlogical, meaningless happiness. The person is not happy from inside. Even he is showing that yes, I am. I am there. Blocked eyes cold sucks behind my shell. Ice block cold eyes. Ice में पानी जो है वो ice block बर्फ की तरह जमा हुआ है. You can understand the expression. There was not any originality. There was not any impression to be shown that yes, really he is happy. So eyes using here that the happiness is not seen by the eyes. This was a very temporary happiness. Original happiness can be seen not only from the face but also from the eyes. But there was nothing in eyes. Eyes never shows that he is happy. Means he only plays the role of happiness. It was the difference between the difference of father's time and the difference of son's time. Next stanza में लिखा है, there was a time indeed. Again there was a time indeed. Really that was the time. Poet is speaking about his time poet is speaking about his time when he was very young. So indeed is usually really. It is using for really, definitely, absolutely it was. Absolutely it happened. ऐसा होता था. What? They used to shake hands. हाथ मिलाते थे वो लोग with their hearts. But that's gone son. With their hearts का मतलब क्या निकला? If the person meet to each other, they just shake hand. And this was handshaking, meaningful and original. But what today is? There is different. So at the time when we were younger, we meet to each other, we shake hand to each other with original happiness, with original and absolute meeting. But today इन्होंने लिखा है they shake hand without heart. अब हाथ तो आज मिल रहे हैं लेकिन बिना मन के, बिना ओरिजिनलिटी के और बिना वास्तविकता के. Their left hand search my pretty pocket. In right hand they are shaking hand, but the left hand, what the left hand is acting here? Left hand is searching the reputation. Left hand is searching the status. Left hand is searching the economic status and level of that person. Means handshaking depends upon economic status today. From right hand you are shaking hand, but from left, your side, your eyesight, your intention, that is towards your economic position. If you are rich, if you are stably considered the great reputed person, only then a person is shaking hand with you. No one shaking hand with the poor, because at the present time situation has changed. It was not happened in our time, but at present time it happened that they are shaking hand, but not any type of the situation, not any type of the originality. This was the second difference. Feel at home, घर जैसा महसूस करें. कम अगेन, दोबारा आई. दे से, आज कहते थे. मीन्स whenever we have visited the home of others as a visitor, as a guest, as a family member from distance, if we are visiting the home, what they say, that is from outside. Means originally they are not happy, but from outside they say, we are very happy to meet you. But from outside they say, come again. But from outside they arrange everything for you. But are they really want it? Are they really meet to you? Are they really express, come again? Are they really say, we are very happy to meet you? No, that is a temporary expression. That is meaningless ideas. Means originally they don't want it, but they are showing its drama. Feel at home, come again they say and when I come again, और वो भी व्यक्ति अगर दोबारा जाता है, सेकंड टाइम उसके घर में जाता है, surely the system has changed, surely the facility has changed, arrangement has changed, or even their affection has changed. So what at the time of first meeting, now we have to be found there again and feel at home. Once, twice, एक बार गए, दो बार गए, and there will be no thrice, और ऐसी सिचुएशन बन जाएगी कि थर्ड टाइम आप उसके पास जाना पसंद नहीं करोगे. He never ignored you, he never rejected you, or he never said to you no. He never says that never come at my home in future, but the situation created, the atmosphere created, the relationship changed. That at first time you feel there, at second time your feeling become half, but at third time you never want to go there. Means they created life that you automatically ignored them. After one or two meetings, you can completely examine the complete behavior, the complete conduct to an analysis there in first or second meeting. एक और दो मीटिंग के बाद आपने पूरा एनालिसिस कर लिया और तीसरी बार आप नहीं जाओगे, क्योंकि फोर दिन तब तक आई फाइंड डोर शट डाउन बी. हो सकता है आपको लगे कि आपके लिए उस घर का दरवाजा बंद हो चुका है. मीन्स ओरिजिनली द डोर इज ओपन, बट योर माइंड, योर साइकी, आपका जो मन है, दैट डिड नॉट वांट टू गो देयर, वो वहां जाना नहीं चाहता. बिकॉज इन फर्स्ट मीटिंग यू फाउंड समथिंग न्यू बिकॉज यू आर फर्स्ट देयर. इन सेकेंड मीटिंग यू फाउंड देयर समथिंग बट नॉट लाइक एज द फर्स्ट. Even you accepted in your second meeting, but at the end, till the end of second meeting, what happened there? We know all that your mind diverted for the third meeting. You decided there that I will not come here again. This was the situation on which the poet is hunting. Poet says that it was not happened in our time. It was not happened in our time. हमारे समय में ऐसा नहीं होता था. So इसलिए after observing everything, after observing all these, I have learned many things, sons. कि इस जमाने से वो पिताजी कह रहा है कि उसने बहुत सी चीजें सीख ली. क्यों? क्योंकि द टाइम हैज चेंज्ड. क्यों? क्योंकि इट वाज नॉट एट दैट टाइम व्हेन आई वाज यंग. क्यों? क्योंकि द जनरेशन अफेक्ट्स द एजेस. क्यों? क्योंकि द एज हैव द ग्रेट रोल अपॉन द जनरेशन. तो एवरीथिंग क्लियर इन माइंड ऑफ फादर. अब उस फादर के दिमाग में एवरीथिंग क्लियर दैट द टाइम हैज टोटली चेंज्ड और इट इज द टाइम कम. नाउ वी कैन कंसिडर अबाउट द टाइम ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स. क्या क्या सीखा? आई हैव लर्न टू वियर मेनी फेसेस. मैंने सीखा कि आज के लोग कई चेहरे रखते हैं. वियर पहनने पे दे keep they face various types of faces. They wear means their treatment different at different styles, their behavior different at different locations. What they behave at home, what they behave at outside, so they are different. How they say at home or how they speak at outside, that is different. How he treats his close members or how he treats with ignores with unknown persons. So everything which change, different type of the faces kept by the same person today. This was the great mistake. This was the great hurting scene for the poet. चेहरे भी बदल गए, बनावटी चेहरे, like dresses, और they change their face like the dresses. जिस प्रकार से पोशाक बदलकर पहनी जाती हैं, वैसे ही they change their behavior like dresses. Home face. In home, you have different type of the face. Office face. In office, your face change. You have different type of the face. Street face. सड़क पे जाओगे, रास्ते में कोई मिलता है, your face is change. Different type of the face. Host face. अगर आप होस्ट का रोल शो कर रहे हो, your face is different. Cocktail face. parties में आपके facial with all these confirming smiles like a fixed portrait smile, और हर जगह पोर्ट्रेट तस्वीर को पोर्ट्रेट स्माइल, जिस प्रकार से तस्वीर में स्माइल स्टेबल हो जाती है, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही एट द प्रेजेंट टाइम एवरीथिंग इज चेंज्ड. यू बिहेव विद डिफरेंट पर्सन विद डिफरेंट ट्रेसेस. You behave or treat with different person with different behavior. So why your behavior changes? That was the major issue by the poet here. Why they change their behavior? It is the major aspect. It is the major issue. Totally in this part we have completed half, and next half we will complete it tomorrow. The conclusion of first half of this point, that is the difference between generation gap, that is the basic differences at the time of poet's youth or at the time of son's youth. So in our next video, in tomorrow, we will complete this point and then make its complete summary tomorrow. Thank you.